Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Smita, a mother and artist by soul. I love creating new and beautiful things. I have recently dived into the world of texture art. Thanks for joining me on my journey. I will share my ups and downs. I'm here to share it all. If you like my work, hit like and subscribe to join me on this adventure. So today is day 1 and I make a tile with paisley pattern on it with texture paint. Follow me along and see what we learn and practice today. You can see a wooden tile which is 8 by 8 inches in size. This tile is 3 mm in width and I used my Glowforge Pro laser cutter to cut this one. I'm using 3 mm just for practice. When I'm ready to make my final pieces, I'll be using much thicker width, probably 8 mm, 6 mm to 8 mm wood when I'm ready to do my final pieces. Once you have your tile, trace your paisley pattern on this wooden tile using a carbon paper. Make a cone and fill your texture paint with it. I will mention the link to buy this in the description box below. Now practice drawing thin lines on the pattern. Doing so, cover the whole pattern. Make sure to cover those pencil lines or the carbon lines, and they make sure to hide them under your lines that you're drawing using your cone. And this is what we do on day 1. Isn't it simple? The intention is to learn and practice to draw thin and consistent lines using a cone. The more we practice, the better it gets. Let's fast forward this process and see the end result. The tile is now dried out. The paisley pattern that we drew on the tile is now all dry. And now we will draw the small circle inside and we'll put small dots on it like pearls. This step should be done only when the outside tile area is fully dried. Once our tile is fully dried, we apply a coat of acrylic paint on it. We will cover this tile in 2 coats. We'll first do our first coat, let it dry, and then we'll carry on with the second coat. So our first coat of acrylic paint is done. I'll now go ahead and apply a second coat on my tile. So I've applied a second coat of paint on the tile and it looks beautiful to me. I'm quite satisfied with my results on day 1. So day 1 was all about learning to make thin lines using a texture paste. You can even use a sheet of paper to practice this. Draw any pattern and practice. The more you practice, the better it will get. Thanks for tuning in, friends. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, stay curious and stay awesome. See you all in my next video. Thank you.